As I made my way through the deserted streets, I think about the woman who hired me earlier in the day to investigate his sister's murder that had taken place that morning. I waited for her on the greasiest gym joint you've ever seen, but it suited me just fine. She was the kind of dame who'd make you look twice and think once. To think, could she ever love a man like me? No, that's just a lack of sleep talking. The coffee wasn't good enough for the likes of her. No, she just liked to stir the milk. And me, you ask? Well, I like my coffee like I like my films.